Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have 2017 Jeep Cherokee. This car here, it doesn't start. And they have a brand new key from the dealer. Just be advised that on Chrysler sometime, this key here, in some Chrysler, if you put the key in the ignition, for example, and turn it.
Rhythm and not a human. But with the amp.
Okay. Okay, if you put the key in the ignition like this, put it in. If you turn it, if the key is not programmed, the ignition will not turn on. So they say that the key is no good. So before you go and waste your time, like for example, this key here, if I put it in the ignition, you see now, nothing. You see, nothing. See, I put it in, nothing work. And even alarm is blinking. Okay, you see door lock, unlock work, but the chip on it is no good. How you know? I'm gonna show you here. You're gonna have this kind of tools like VVDI and try it. Because when I come first, I put this key and I turn it on, ignition doesn't come on. On this particular car, ignition will not come on at all. So I already programmed it, but I'm gonna show you the procedure. Now, test this key first. You put it here, click on it, transponder. Okay, now here you see, I'm checking it, read, nothing. It doesn't read. So I'm gonna try to take and put this one. If it's okay, it will be say okay, and it's supposed to be unlock. If it's lock, you see here, it's locked because I already programmed it. So if you put the key in the ignition in this particular car, 2017 Cherokee, if you put the key, consider it now, I turn it. I did not turn it, but consider it, I turn it. You're going to see key in the ignition side, but nothing will come on. You see, like, you're going to see something like this. This is like only accessory, but nothing turn on. Don't worry about it. Okay, you're gonna go to Maxim. From the Maxim, I'm gonna turn the key on. So just consider, I already programmed it, but if it's not programmed, it will not do this. So I'm gonna go to Imo. Imo, it will read everything for you. But you're gonna go by US, for example, and go to Jeep. As soon as you do that, it will ask you to automatic or manual. Just you can say automatic. Sometime it will not read the VIN number, but with the ignition, with the key not programmed, it will be able to read the VIN number and everything for you to be able to program it. So right now, smart key or fabric, you're gonna go to fabric key. It will give you the year model of the car. That means it's okay. Ignition must be off, I believe. You're gonna do this job with the ignition off, right? Or ignition on. It read the password for you. Okay, let me go back. I just want to be sure that what it say. Fabric key, auto scan. You see, it will scan the car for you. Some of them, the programming must be while the key is off. It was 4 key, and I programmed 5 keys, so it's supposed to have 5 keys inside. You see, it's 55. You see, it say 5 keys, and it take 8 key. If it's more than 8, if you have 8 key here in the memory, you cannot do another one. You have to delete some of them. You see here, it will start for you. I'm going to show you what it's going to do. You see that it will continue one by one. You see, and it will tell you the pin code. You want to read it again, say okay. I'm going to turn the ignition on, for example, or off. Just follow the steps. You see, this is the pin code. Success. Key learn 5. Do you want to learn another key? Say no, I don't want to learn anything, but this is how you can do it. We learn from here that before you do anything, test your original key. Most of the time you have to program it with the ignition off. Consider that also. Other than that, I don't have anything to say. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.